I'm gonna save you $250. How am I gonna do that? I got this thing right here. It's a programmer. This costs $100. Each key costs about $25 per. Well, I got myself here one extra key. And I'm going to show you how simple it is. So come inside the 6th generation hybrid sports trail touring. I'll show you how easy it is to do. Prokeybox for 2026 Honda CR-V Sports L, or Trail Sports L that is, top of the line, hybrid. You get the program box, the OBD module, the wide end goes over here on this side. And we're going to plug it in down here. And we have a red light. Nothing's going to work until we start the process. I have here's the original key. I have here is the key that they give you. And I got here is a 2017 key that may not work. I'm going to take these 2 keys out of the car and leave the factory key by the parking. Now, what we need to do is turn on to the accessory. It's 2 presses. 1, 2. On the box, we need to hit A or B. Let's hit B. We're going to hear it beep, and the red light changed to blue. There it is, blue. We're going to take the key out of the car and wait for that light now to change to yellow. As it's going to change to yellow, you hear audible sound. Let's go get the key we need to program. This is the key we need to program. So what we're going to do now is wait for this to go to red and blue simultaneously. There we are. Shut the car off. Nobody's rushing you. To the accessory, not to the start. 1, start vehicle, push on brake. 2, do this 3 times. You hear a beep, 1 beep, off. Press once and again. 2 beeps, off. And the 3rd beep you're going to hear now. Start vehicle, accessory. I only heard 2 beeps. I'm going to shut it off and do it one more time. Basically, we're done. It's shut off. I don't have to do it one more time. I pull the module out. This is the key. Watch the dashboard. Start the car. This key is now driver, B as in boy. If I want to change it, I could change it through the driver's door. Driver 1 or driver 2. I got one more key I want to try, and that is a 5th generation, I apologize, CR-V EXL. It's taking a little too long, and it shows you that you have to have the correct key with the FC code, the RF code, the frequency code. If you ever want to go to a dealer and you don't want to pay that $350 price, this is the kit that you get, that you can have as many keys made up yourself for $150. That's this kit right here. Did you know? 1, 2. My windows rolled down, and this is the new key. Still in this package. Already programmed. Yes, indeed. Go get your kit. And thank the fish. Have a great one.